What's up, 2Fly fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you want to join the family, like this video, subscribe, and show the channel some love. I'm 2Fly B, and today I got another sneaker review for y'all today. How y'all been, man? Hope y'all been missing me, because I've been missing y'all. I needed a little mental break. You know, with all this consistency in social media, sometimes it's still good. You know, sometimes it's still good for everyone to take social media breaks. I know we have to be consistent, and you know, you want to constantly upload and all that, but it's okay. Sometimes you need to get your mind a break. You know, get your body a break. Take a break from the screens. You know, recording, editing, all that. Just regroup. Come back. I'm now rejuvenated and I'm ready to get to it. So as y'all seen, I just said another sneaker review. Y'all already seen the title, so it's no surprise. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, y'all. As y'all see, another Balenciaga box. Y'all know the great box by now. Don't worry about this, man. I was just trying to stuff the box up in there. I be trying to make room. Great box all around. This is a pair of triple S's in the colorway of deep blue, as y'all see. Alright, let's go and hop into it. As we open the top, we're greeted with a drawstring bag. This one is gray. It's a nice gray too. Feels good. Front say Balenciaga, back says nothing. Gray. This is kind of see-through. It's real thin, but it's nice that it comes with it. Moving on along, inside the box. Okay, I'm greeted with a pair of extra laces. Got these, they're blue with black in them. Alright, taking out the shoes. Okay, alright, taking out the shoes, give you a quick 360 of them. Alright, man, so let's go ahead. Let me give me a little quick thumbnail real quick. I gave you a 360 of both of them, but let me just get in a little closer. Let's get into the details real quick. Now, this is a nice shoe. This is a big shoe. I also have a pair of triple S's, a review, a different colorway on my page. If you haven't seen those already, go check that out and then come back. But man, these are nice. So let's go ahead and get into it. It's a lot of different materials on here. This is some type of like, I don't know if I want to say nubuck. This right here, it's the same going around like through here, as y'all see. So this one, I don't know. So this is all the same material. Where my finger is at here is like in the front, going around, and also on the side. This is all, I want to say it feels like nubuck. Not 100% sure, but it does feel like nubuck. In the front, this feels like nylon up here. Real flexible material, so when your feet is in it and you gotta you know, you walk and you bend it, is okay. And I like this better than when shoes have leather on it, because you don't gotta worry about it creasing. Okay, on the top we got the size 43, which is my shoe size in the front, and that is in the colorway of black. On the inner side of the left shoe, we got the nubuck here, the more nylon up here. This goes with the same as the front of the toe box. This is a different pattern than this one in the toe box. Okay, I told you about the nubuck, but up here, like up on this tab where the black size is, this is leather. That is buttery soft leather. And I also said, if I didn't tell you, these are the clear sole, so everything, so it's clear. You see, the sole is a clear blue, translucent blue. Make sure you can see that. The bottom of the shoe, like this is all, so the sole down here, this part, this is all, is a clear sole. Like it's blue, but I can see through it. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but you can see through this. It's a translucent blue. All right, also on the left side of the left shoe, it comes with the little tag here, just says triple S. Over here we have the infamous Balenciaga. Got that right there. On the tongue is more of the nylon material. This is the same material as the sides, which are here. As you see, the tongue, it says triple S. In the inside of the shoe, you have the tag where it shows the size of it. Size 43, my size. The shoelaces we already seen, they are blue with black. Honestly, the colorway of this shoe is what got me, y'all. Like, I knew I was gonna need this shoe once I seen the colorway. This is nice, man. Like, you can't go wrong with blue. Y'all didn't know I like blue, so it makes sense why I wanted this shoe. On the back, we also have the nylon material up here towards the heel of the shoe. Up under here as well. This tab here is leather though. And then this material over here, this is leather. So it's a lot of different materials in this shoe. The eyelids are nubuck material on both sides. We have a pull tab in the back. Pull tab back here. Let me double check, make sure I'm not missing nothing. Then go into that I went into detail about everything on this shoe. Up on the bottom, it says Balenciaga. And like I said, it's the clear translucent outsole. Because this colorway is a clear sole. So I like them. I never had a, believe it or not, I never had a shoe. Wait, I'm trying to think if I ever had an all blue shoe. Okay, I probably have. Let me just stop and not say that. Alright, so, but I know I never had an all blue Balenciaga shoe. So this is my first all blue Balenciaga shoe. And I like it a lot. I think it's a good cop. I already have this shoe before. Like I say, I have some triple S's, but I didn't have this colorway. And this is my first colorway of the clear sole. I liked it so much that I bought another colorway. And I think I showed y'all that already, but I'm finna do a review soon. So nonetheless, man, I like these shoes a lot. Let me get the other one real quick. And look at these shoes, man. It's like, this is a great shoe to have if you like big shoes. If you like big shoes, I would recommend it. If you was looking at something in this price range, in this category, maybe with this brand, if this brand was an option and you was looking at something in this price range, I would recommend this shoe if you like big shoes. If you don't like big shoes, this might not be the shoe for you. 9 times out of 10, it probably won't be, but I say if you 50-50, you should go in the store and try it on so you can see how it fit and how it feels on your shoe. How it feels on your feet to see if you like the shoe. It do give you height, so that's always a plus. Can't go wrong with it. Y'all see I got this nice B2 flat shirt on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get into the brand, man. All right, y'all, so this is the right shoe. On the right shoe, it's just like the left shoe, but on the outer right side, we got the Balenciaga on this side. Told you this is like nubuck already. This right here is like rubberized material. You hear that? It's like rubberized material here. So this like strip going around right here. It's all like rubberized materials. That is clear though, clear blue like I told you. We got this little pod here. Don't know what it is, but it presses in. I don't know the purpose of it, to be honest. Clear, translucent sole. Rubberized again down here. On the toe, same with the right shoe. We got the size right here, 43, in the colorway of black. And behind it, we have leather. That's a leather tab right there. Going around up here, this is also like nylon. Up here, I would say it is too, just a different pattern. And the sides are the same, but the toe box is not the same. The tongue gets really soft materials, and I like nylon because nylons are really soft materials. So you know, if you walking, you got to bend your shoe, bend your foot, whatever. It's not hurting. You're not creasing nothing, or it's not hurting. On the top, we have triple S. On the back, you have the size. And let me take it out. I'm gonna take the stuff out the inside of the shoe so we can see what the inside of the shoe look like. Let me see. Okay, so it says Balenciaga at the bottom. I don't know if y'all see that in there. It says Balenciaga. Insole is blue too. So the whole entire shoe is blue. Can't go wrong with it. Pull tab in the back, blue. Pull tab on the tongue. So although this is a big shoe, it's very easy to get into the shoe. Very easy. They got the pull tab on the tongue and pull tab on the back. Like I say, especially with these nylon materials, you can open the shoe up like, you know, a little wider. It's soft. It's like, it's roomy. So that's why I like this shoe. Y'all know I like the colorway. But that's it with this review, man. If y'all enjoyed it, let me know. I'm about to get into the how to style and on feet portion. I'm finna start dropping some more how to style videos. Just stay tuned. And that's it for this one, man. It was good being able to post. Hope y'all glad to see my face again. Yes, sir. Two Fly fam, stand up, man. Make sure y'all take care of yourselves. Stay prayed up. Let's stay connected. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at 2FlyB. Snapchat FlyManB. My business email is in the description below. And I already said, take care of yourselves. I'm going to tell y'all again, make sure y'all take care of yourselves. Stay prayed up. And I'm going to get up with y'all next video. Be smooth. Alright y'all, so coming up for the How to Style, I paired it with a pair of black jeans. As y'all just seen, got the knee outs, that's hard. Black jeans is decent. As y'all see on the back, paired it with a B2 Fly shirt. Think B2 Fly, is it really fly? B2 Fly on the front. I paired it up with these black Balenciaga sunglasses to go with the Balenciaga shoes on my feet. And it's a nice, comfortable shirt, man. The shirt fit good, look good. Feel fly, bro. No cap. So this the fit. I just throw one on. Now I need a full body.